What is up, YouTube? It's your mama's brother's baby mama's son. That's me, Cheeto Brown, back with another reaction video. What's happening, Chief? You alright back there? I see that little slot machine over the side. Chief been gambling or something. I don't know what's going on. He got a problem. Chief, you got a problem. Hey man, look. Today was my son's birthday. He turned my baby boy. My baby boy turned 9 years old. So let me get a happy birthday. Y'all show my little boy some love if you want to. Show my little boy some love, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that's why I'm late making this video. I'm back though. Today, bro, we doing Creedence Clearwater Revival. Have you ever seen the rain? Have you ever seen the rain? Yeah, I don't know who Creedence Clearwater Revival is. That's a recommendation. So yeah, y'all just bear with me. Yeah, don't forget, man, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, thumbs up the video. I'm sitting like this on my stomach. I take a dog. But yeah, thumbs up the video and you know, leave a reaction or something. Let's check out Creedence Clearwater Revival. Have you ever seen the rain?
Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time.
I heard it before or something. Okay. I done heard it before. I done heard it before. I don't know the words. Let me go back because it caught me out guard when I heard it before. I don't know where I heard this at, but I heard it before.
Told me long ago there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water.
Good sight.
I wanna know, have you ever?
This go give me a migraine. I done heard this damn song before. Where I heard this song? I done heard this song before. I done heard. I wanna know. The words. And which one of them singing this, man? Which one of them guys? Is it the blonde guy? He's standing in the middle. You the lead singer standing in the middle. Or is it buddy with the glasses on? Who is it? I don't know. Y'all let me know. But I done heard this bothering me. I done heard it before. I'm gonna figure this out. I heard it before.
I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down Sunday.
Now, this is a nice ass song.
Days before,
Feel good song.
sun is cold and rain is hot. I know, been that way for all my time. Till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know.
But when did this come out? Somebody in the comments tell me what year did this come out? This is a black and white picture, so they look like 70 because they dress like Scooby-Doo or the old Scooby-Doo. Like Shag and them used to be dressed. This in the 70s, like this is a 70s song, but that when the good music came out. No, the 60s had the old folk, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60s, they had their time. But from what I heard, the 70s and the 80s, and for hip hop, the 90s, them was like the music. Like they played some good music then, man. I'm talking about. Woo. I like that kind of music in the 60s. I ain't gonna say, I just gonna say I wish I was alive in the 60s. No, I don't. No. I don't want to be living live in the 60s. I'm black. No, I never want to be live in the 60s. But in the 70s and the 80s, I wish I was older so I could be seeing some of this stuff happen while it was going on. While it was happening, all this great music coming out. But anywho, let's keep it going. When I say anywho, I'm getting corner you and corner you.
Fast and slow, I know it can't stop. I wonder. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain?
Have you ever seen the rain?
I wanna know,
I want to know.
have you ever seen the rain coming down sunny day? Yeah, I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down sunny day?
I like this though. That's all I hear. At the end? Alright, man, that was Creedence. Clearwater Revival. Have you ever seen the rain? I done heard this damn song before somewhere. Somebody gotta let me know. I'm finna be all over Google and YouTube. And I done heard this on a commercial, on a TV show. I done heard this somewhere. And it's really bothering me. You ever get a thought in your head, you can't get that son bitch off. It's just sitting on your head, it's just be bothering, about to give you a headache. And that's what this song doing for me. I like the song, but I've heard this before. Probably one of them old movies, like, you know, with some, like, not old movie, like a modern movie, but they be showing like the flashback parts or something like that, or, you know, it'll be a older setting movie. I done heard it before. But yeah, Creedence cool. Creedence Clearwater Revival. Is that the name of the group? Creedence Clearwater Revival? What is that? I don't. Let your boy know. Let your cousin know, man. But in the meanwhile, don't forget, man, to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, thumbs up the video. And before you leave the house, make sure you tell somebody you love them. Because you never know when you might see them again. You might not. The next time I'm out. Peace, cousins. I want to know.